here in the Chinatown neighborhood of New York, Manhattan, New York City. Chinatown, one of the biggest Chinatowns in America. And you're probably asking yourself, Greeny, you going to get Chinese food for lunch? No, no Chinese food. I'm heading to a Thai restaurant, and I've been checking a bunch of different websites, different rankings, and this restaurant keeps showing up as one of the top restaurants in the country for Thai food. Definitely way one of the top ones in New York City. So I'm gonna go over there, check it out. I'm gonna order something. Then I'm gonna go back to Thailand and compare it to my local $2, $3, $4 dish near my house and see what's better, real Thai food or expensive Thai food in New York City. Let's go check it out. So like I explained, I came to this place. It's called Thai Diner. The owner had another restaurant that closed called Uncle Boone's Sister. And this is known as one of the top restaurants in New York, one of the top restaurants in the United States. I checked several different websites that said that this is the bomb right here for Pad Thai. That's what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some Pad Thai, head back to Thailand, compare it to the Pad Thai at the place that I get it at. That's one of my favorite there, and see what the difference is, do a little comparison. Let's get in there and check. That was quick. It took like 2 minutes for my food to get here. Chicken Pad Thai. It smells very good. Much smaller portion than I'm used to. And I think this is about $22 US. Looks like it's like a grilled chicken thigh on top. All kinds of spices and different things in the sauce here. Let me turn this around and show you. Definitely looks like it's going to be full of flavor. No doubt about that. Look at that. It's got a very bold, like a little bit of a smoky flavor. I can taste the dehydrated shrimp in there. It's very flavorful, very flavorful. Looks like they put a lot of work into the sauce here. Let me throw a little lemon on top. Let's try this chicken. Look at that. Wow, it's really good. Like your skin. It's like a thin layer of skin that's so crispy and flavorful. I thought I was going to get to New York and be like, oh, it's just not good Thai food. But this is like chef type. This is really good. It's some of the best Pad Thai I ever had. It's not a lot. Not a huge helping, but it's very tasty. Look at that crust on it. Look at the skin. Amazing flavor. And being that it's the Thai, it's very juicy. Just like that, I'm back in Thailand. And let me tell you, it is humid as heck here. I mean, I was in New York. It was kind of cool, a little bit warm some of the days. Felt great walking miles. I went to Israel after that, and it was super hot. I was in the Dead Sea, and it was 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but didn't even feel hot like it does here in Thailand. Here in Thailand, it feels like a sauna. It's so humid, but I love it. It's great. And I'm getting my favorite Pad Thai here at Grandma Pad Thai. That's this place. I'm going to show you around. And we're going to talk about the difference between the Pad Thai in America and here in Thailand. What's better? What's the best value? You guys saw that one, and it was pretty good. I mean, it was delicious. So let's get in here and order up some Pad Thai and talk about it. At this place in Thailand that I love, they have all these different varieties: beef, chicken, red pork, pork sausage, pork, seafood, mussel, shrimp, or just egg. I'm going for the choose two. I got the red pork and chicken. Okay, so you see there, look at that. That chicken is nice and fresh, not pre-cooked chicken. We got the red pork. That must be mine right there. He's cooking. This is the little place here. So this meal in Thailand is already going to be the winner because look who I get to eat with. Miss Phi Phi, the wife. Did you miss me?
Yeah.
You did not. You were out having so much fun hanging with all. What are you doing? So have you ever had pad thai in New York, Phi Phi? No?
One part Thai New York.
I gotta tell you, that pad thai I had in New York was very, very tasty. So good. What? You didn't get pad thai? Wow, but that chicken does look pretty good.
That was so heavy.
I did not really see pad kapow like that in New York. Look at that. Kapow is. Now here in Thailand, which like in New York they don't, but here in Thailand they give you all these little spices on the side. You got your peanuts. This is a hot pepper, vinegar, sauce. This is this for the egg roll, right? For the spring rolls, the sauce. Yeah, salt, fish sauce, and there's mine. Wow, Kap Kun Kap. Now this is the small, and that's about, that might be a little bit more than I got in New York, but that's just the small. Doesn't that look good? Okay, so here, squeeze a little bit of the lime on. They call it Minnow here. And here, you just put your peanut on yourself. So it's crushed up peanuts. And I will tell you, the thing that I did like in New York is they use those red skin peanuts and they roasted them. So they were like smoky. Like that was excellent. I haven't had that before like that. Like whatever they did with those peanuts there was probably the best I've ever had. Now, I'm not going to add any hot pepper in here because he already added it. It's spicy. Now this is much sweeter than the one I had in New York. They love sweet stuff here in Thailand. It's much sweeter, but it's excellent. It's great. This is one of my favorite pad thais here in Thailand. I gotta give the nod a little bit to New York and the taste because, like I said, those peanuts were just freaking awesome. And that was like inspired by a chef. That was one of the top pad thai restaurants in the United States. Top in New York. I checked several different websites and a bunch of them pointed to that place. And it was excellent. But I think my total bill was like $25 or $27 for just water and pad thai. How much is this? Under $3. So your value is definitely going to be in Thailand. I think it's kind of worth flying over here just to get pad thai. As far as taste, I got to give the nod a little bit to that New York, but that's a unicorn. I've never had pad thai that good in my life. It's probably the best I ever had. Even, what's the name of that original place in Bangkok that started pad thai?
Tip Samai.
Right. I think it's even better than that, but it's a complicated flavor. Like they really use some different flavors. And I can't tell you what, but it was awesome. But this is very good. But the value, you can't eat that all the time. You'd be broke. And this is excellent. The thing I love about this place here is how much they load into the pad thai. I mean, just loaded with eggs, tofu, and then whatever meats you get. Just all kinds of stuff in there. It's hard to pick a winner. It's so hard. That New York one was like gourmet. This was like total Thai style, but the best. One of the best here in Thailand. It's a real dilemma, but if you're in New York, I would go to that place. If you're in Thailand, I would come to this place. Let's try the pork. I gotta call it a draw because the flavor is so good there. The value is so good here. You get so much here. We'll call it a draw. You can't go wrong. You can't go broke. It's in New York. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Greeny out.